Well, it is 6:45, and new research out of UC San Diego has uncovered the cause of an acceleration in global ocean currents, and they could have implications for San Diego's future climate. It turns out wind speeds are not the only culprit, but global warming is also to blame. I talked to the researcher who uncovered these new findings.
The effects of climate change can be felt around the globe and are continuously being measured by researchers, including here in San Diego. And while the rise in ocean temperatures has been well documented, new research out of Scripps Institution of Oceanography found that climate change has led to an acceleration of ocean currents around the globe.
I think we were kind of very surprised to see there's a consistent global-wide surface ocean current acceleration as we heat the ocean from the surface.
Professor Shengping Shi modeled the data and is now researching the potential implications of what faster ocean currents could mean for the delicate balance of marine life.
As a scientist, the surprising part of our research is the global nature of this current acceleration. So that indicates the results are quite robust and consistent with our physical laws.
The new data could suggest a harsh future for our oceans, with currents affecting the amount of photosynthesis taking place, nutrients available to marine life, and potentially even more difficult migratory patterns for wildlife.
The ocean currents speed up, and therefore the horizontal and the vertical distribution of the nutrients are going to change accordingly. So that's definitely going to affect the distribution and activity of photosynthesis, and therefore the biological activity overall.
Even along our San Diego beaches, where cool ocean air keeps our temperatures mild, this research could mean changes.
The California coast is benefited from ocean upwelling, especially during the summer when the cold water upwells on our coasts. So that keeps our coastal temperature moderate and pleasant. So the climate change is probably going to change the ocean circulation along our coast as well. But in what way, that would be something we will need to study more carefully.
The UCSD-based team is continuing to research what this means for our future, but scientists emphasize humans are in control.
We are in charge of the gas pedal. So in other words, humanity does have the ability to control and reduce the greenhouse gases we emit into the atmosphere.
Wow, the currents really do have a big impact on everything, marine life.
Everything.
Yeah.
And the temperature of the water, we always talk about, you step in, it's like, what, low 60s usually.
Right.
But we've had a few days of upwelling where it's colder than what,
a little bit cooler.
in the 50s sometimes. So.
Yeah, and that's what he was saying is that moving forward now, they've uncovered that obviously that that global warming has a effect on it, but they say now they want to determine exactly what that means for marine life, for plant life in the ocean, for our coastal temperatures. He said even for Santa Ana winds, for example, how that could play a role in our ocean temperatures.
The ability to get food because of the currents and everything. Interesting.
Yeah, a lot of research that's still going to be done around that.